Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ela Amp and welcome. So you're probably wondering why I'm sitting here with a fan in front of my face. And that's because I'm doing a Valentine's Day makeup collab contest with Karen Ann, who is the host, and a whole bunch of other girls who are participating. And I've already gotten my face on, so I don't want to ruin it. Alright, so what the contest is we each choose Valentine's Day looks, and whichever one, you get to pick one of three, so one of each of cute, sexy, and anti-Valentines. And out of those three winners, whoever wins, those three winners get to go into their comments and pick a comment, and that person, that subscriber, wins too. So if you choose me to win, and then you leave me a cute comment, I just might pick yours and you get to win too. All the instructions will be linked in Karen Ann's video in my description box along with any other information. So, I chose cute. So, want to see what my look is? Stay tuned. I already went ahead and started one eye, even though it is not completely done yet, just to kind of save time. And I will go ahead and catch this other eye up on camera. Also, I'm going to list in the description box everything I used, and I'll do a secondary list of the shades that I used out of all the palettes I used. Lovely. If you hear weird scratching, that's my cat in her litter box. Apparently she's covering her poo with the side of the litter box. Because, you know, that works. And I just used a pink. Now I'm going in with a metallic red. Leah, stop it! Nobody wants to hear you scratching around in your litter box. Oh my gosh, are you serious right now? blend this out a little bit. I'm doing the eyebrows with a pink eyeliner. There's that so far. A little bit uneven, but once I get my eyeliner on, I can kind of clean it up and even it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my eyeliner on and my lashes, and I'll be back. Alright, so I put eyeliner on, lashes, and lipstick, and everything else you see. So, this is my final look. If you like this video, subscribe and give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to check out everybody else in this collab and pick me for the cutest Valentine's Day makeup look. Bye guys! Hearts on my head, hearts on my head, hearts on my head. You're cute!